Yeah, is audio video okay? Let me know. Yeah, check once so that we can start. In the last class, we done until here. I think we done until question number 164. We done until question number 164. Right now, we'll concentrate 165. It's a question number 165. Please go ahead. This is a program. If you want, I can minimize a little bit. Yeah. This is a question number 165. Yeah, go ahead now. Check anyone having any issue? 165. Question number 165. Check everyone. Question number 165. You can verify. So, some program is given. They are asking what is the output. This program, what is the output? Right? Check properly. This program, what is the output? Right? So, question number 165. Is a 165. What is the output? I think it is a recursive program. So, if you see main calling foo. Main function is calling foo. And one more before going to start, let me give the date. Today's date, let me give the date. 2, I think, 2/12/25. 2/12/25. Today's date is 2/12/25. We are starting, it is the first problem. It is the first problem. You can start now. What is the output of this program? Right? Start from main program. A is 2048. Okay. Sum is 0. That is also okay. Foo function A sum. A is 2048, sum is 0 called. It will go here. It is a 2048. Sum is 0 called. Local variable, if you see, k value 0, j value 0. N value 0, no, it is the 2048. Return. If it is 0, then return. Otherwise, some story going on. Right? And one more thing is, after this is completed, again, right, recursive function is going on. So be careful. So I'm doing one time. I'm doing roughly one time. Can you see? Foo n here 2048. I think the next one is sum, which is initially 0. So if you go inside, so inside, can you check? K value becomes n modulo 10. I think n is 2048. Modulo 10 is going to be remainder. What is the remainder? I think 8. Verify. Remainder 8, na? 2048 by 10. Remainder is 8. So I think k becomes 8. Okay. K becomes 8. Next, j is equal to n by 10. Right? 2048 by 10, it is going to be 204.8. Because of it is integer, 204 only. So I think j becomes 204. 204. Sum is equal to sum plus k. What is the sum now? Previously 0. 0 plus k. What is the k? K is 8, na? So sum becomes 8. So now foo function is called. See this one. Now foo function. Now some people may say that, what about remaining statements are? Because of recursion you are going. After coming back you print. Remember, I'm giving the number also. I'm giving the main numbers also. So I think this entire thing assume that 1. This entire thing assume that 1. This entire story assume 1. This is 2. This is 3. So second statement I am going. One is done. Second statement I am going. Right? After second statement over, third statement I will do. Printf. What is the second statement? Foo function is called. I think same story. J and sum. I think J means first person n. Next one is, I think what is the answer? Sum. So if you observe clearly, J means what here in this function? Right? J means 204. Sum is how much? 8. Right? Same recursion going on. Same recursion. Let's calculate again. K is equal to again remainder 4. So J is equal to 204 by 10. So 20. Sum is equal to sum plus 8 plus 4, 12. Sum is equal to, right, 8 plus 4, 12. Again, I think this is a 1. This is 2. This is 3. What the 2? Foo function is called. Again n here. Again sum here. What is the sum now? 12. What is the sum now? 12. Observe clearly. Sum now what? 12. Am I doing anything wrong? Please check. Am I doing anything wrong? Please verify. So initially sum came from the main program. Initially sum came from main program 0. Next time sum came. Next time sum is came. Next time sum is came from, right? I think what is that one? Sum is sum plus k. Sum internal sum will come. Internal sum 0 plus that first time 8. 8 will go. Next time whatever you got, that 8 plus 4 12 will go. Okay, 12 also came. Right? Now again, can you see the inside? Can you see again inside? K is equal to, I think this became how much? 20. N became 20. This is 12. So I think 20 modulo 10. 20 modulo 10. Right? I think 0 remainder. So next one, J is equal to N by, right, n by 10. I think 20 by 10. So 20 by 10 means how much? 2. Sum is equal to sum plus, already sum is 12. 12 plus k, so 12. I think 1 is over. Let's go to 2. Foo function is called. So I think here, right, n is going to be 2. Right, sum is going to be 12. Same story going on. Let me check. We are very close. If anyone think that something wrong is going on, please check. If anyone think that something wrong is going on, please check. Someone is saying that answer is option A. Yeah, we will verify. This. We'll verify. Some options are given. We will verify this. Now, if you come to this function again, so what is the K? What is the K? K is equal to n modulo 10. I think 2 modulo 10. I think it's going to be mod operator, na? 2 modulo 10. So 2 remainder. Verify. Next. So J is equal to 2 by 10. So 0. Sum is equal to sum plus. Already sum how much? 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Right, 14. Please verify properly. 14. Next one, I think until now everything is fine. So 1 is completed. Let's go to 2. Foo function is called. N and sum. I think n becomes how much? 0. Sum becomes how much? 14. That is okay. So go inside. If you go inside, n value 0 return. When you return 3, you have to print. So print sum. I think when you print the sum first time, I think say print k. Sorry for this. Print k. K will be printed. First k will be printed. What is the k? 2 printed. First 2 printed. Right? I think this is done. This is also done. So can you see the third one? Here? Print k. K value 0 printed. This also completed. Can you come here now? Print k. 4 will be printed. Right? This also completed. Print k. 8 will be printed. This also completed. When you come back in the main function, print sum. In the main function, print sum. So 0 will be printed. So 20480. Excellent. Avinash said answer is option A. Exactly. Answer is option A. Exactly. Question number 165. It's one of the extraordinary question. If anyone feeling that, right, you are not comfortable, please let me know. It's an excellent question. This question is excellent. Question number 165, answer is option A. It's a really excellent question. Let me know any objection. It's a really interesting problem. Let me know any objection. Yeah, I think we can move to the next problem. Question number 165 over. Can you go to question number 166? Question number 166. Can you go? Can you go ahead? Question number 168. Sir, 166. It is excellent. Can you check? I think it is a main program. No function also. It is a main program. It is the main program. No function also. Main program. Please check properly. Please check properly. If you want, I will minimize also. If you want, I will minimize also. I minimized. I minimized. Can you verify? Can you verify properly? So if you want, you can check now. A value 0. Yeah, A 0. Let me write now. A 0. I set 0. That is okay. I think not required. Not required. So whenever required, I will write. Okay, fine. Now remember, this is the input which you given. This is the input which you given. So this is done. This is done. This is, see this one. Scanf percentage yes. So input in the place of input. We given question, right? I think closed bracket 0 1. This is there in the input. Input is this. Right? I think open bracket 0 1. Right? Now see this one. I0 input of 0 means closed bracket. Closed bracket not equal to null character true. For every true come inside. This became I value initially 0. I value how much initially? 0. So input of 0. Input of 0 means this. This is the input 0 1 2. It is the 3. Input of 0 is closed bracket. Right? So case 1 failed. Right? I think case close open bracket fail. Case closed bracket pass. It is passed. A minus minus. I think A as of now 0. 0 minus minus is 0. Is 0. 0 minus minus is 0. But remember everyone, break. Break purpose is if you are there inside speech case, it will go out of speech. So it will comes to here. But remember, you are executing in the for loop. It will go to next I value. I initially 0. Now I became 1 now. I value initially 0. Now it became 1 now. Now see, input of 1 is 0. 0 not equal to null character, of course, because ASCII values are different. So input of 1 check. Input of 1 is 0. So case open bracket fail. Case closed bracket also fail. Now go to default. So print A. Remember A post decrementation you done. At that time A value 0. It became at that time it's minus 1. So minus 1 will be printed. First minus 1 will be printed. It cannot be minus 1. Yeah, minus 1 will be printed. Set is equal to 1. Set became 1 as of now. So afterwards there is no break. Right? I think last statement no break required. By default, you will go out of speech. Then I plus plus. I value became 2. Right? Set to 2. Set to 2 is nothing but 1. 1 not equal to null character? Yes. Go inside speech. First fail, second fail, go to the default. Right? So print percentage D A minus 1 again printed. Afterwards set is equal to 1. Right? That is okay. And right out of speech. I plus plus, it became 3. So input of 3 not equal to null character. No, null character there. At the end of every string, null character. So I think if right, for loop is fail, you will come out of for loop. Whenever you come out of for loop, is set is equal to 0? No. Set is equal to 1. Print double hash. Double hash will be printed. So answer is a D. D option. Right, it's very small. Just you want to verify from your side. Do you know what is the purpose of break? Remember, if you are there inside speech, if you say break, you will go out of speech, not out of for loop. In which block you are, if you say break, you will go out of that box. You are there inside speech box, you will go out of speech. That is the purpose of break. If anyone don't know, please check one time. What is the purpose of break? Inside speech you are. What is the purpose of break? You will go out of the speech. Not out of the loop, remember. Out of the loop, no. Out of the break you will go. So answer is D. Yeah, perfect. True, true. You are correct. Answer is D. You are correct. So go to question number 166 over. What is the 167? Question number 167. It is also a nice problem. Can you check? Try this. Question number 167. What will be the output of this code? What is the output of this code? Can you verify? Main program. So this is the little interesting. Please be careful. This is the little interesting. Be careful. This is the little interesting. Be careful. Let me check. Int C star B star star A. Int C star B star star A. C value 4. B is equal to ampersand C. So let me write now. C4. B is ampersand C. I think address of this one, I kept 2000 here. So this may be, right? Sorry, 1000 here. This is 2000. Until now, everyone okay. B contains C address. Okay. A contain B address. That is also okay. Until now, everyone comfortable. Now print a percentage D. FCBA, CBA. C means foregoing. B means 1000 going, single pointer. Right? Next one. CBA. A means 2000 going, double pointer. Okay. Until now, be comfortable. So Y is a local variable. Right? Y is a local variable. X is 4. Understand? X is 4. Y local variable. Z also local variable. It is also some address there. Maybe let me give some other address 4000. It may be 5000. Till now, there are garbage values because you didn't kept anything. Now understand, right? Star star ppz is equal to star star ppz plus 1. So I think ppz means how much? 2000 star 2000 1000 star 1004. 4 plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1 will goes to ppz. I think this is 5. Star star ppz. I think it is going to be 5. 5 will goes to z. Next one, star py plus is equal to 2. Py is 1000, star 1000 is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So this became 7. So y is equal to star py. I think y contains 7. Now x plus is equal to 3. X is 4 now. It became 7. Until now, everyone can do it. Can you see this one? X star y ampersand z star py. Right? So, but understand here. Py is 1000. Star 1000. The value inside 1000. So 7. What is z? 7. Right? Next one. What is y? Right? What is the x? X is 7. What is y? Y is 7. X is 7, okay. Y also 7, okay. What is the z? I think z 5. Z 5. Z is 5. Until now, everyone is comfortable. Right? See the priority list also. Everyone observe what is the priority list. See, it is a bitwise AND operator. It is a multiplication operator. Right? It is a multiplication operator. So please see the priorities. You have to see the priorities. So if you see the priorities, multiplication operator highest priority, then AND operator. Right? Multiplication operator having highest priority, then AND operator. 7 sevens 49 here. Right? Bitwise AND operator. 5 sevens 35. Check properly. 5 sevens 35. So it is a if you observe clearly, it is a bitwise AND operation. 49, write the binary number. I think 2 power 5 is 32. 32 plus 32 plus, right? I think 17, 16, right? 32 plus 16, I think 48 plus 1, right? 49. So please be careful. So let me write now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth place. So I think 49 means this can be written as 32 plus 16, 48 plus 1. Just write it, right? Just write this. So 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 5, 32, 2 power 4, 16, remaining zeros. Lastly 1. Now what about 35? 2 power 5, 32, plus 3. 3 can be like this, 32 means like this, remaining are zeros. Check. Do bitwise AND operation. So I think bitwise AND operation only fifth place they will match. Further, I think last place they will match. Fifth place they will match. Last place they will match. I think 32 plus 1, 33. 33 will be the answer. For the question number 168, 167, answer is 33. Be careful about this. You may face some difficulty, see the priority list. You may face some difficulty, see the priority list. X is 7. Y also 7. Z is, right? Z is 5. Star PY. PY is 1000, star 1000. I think 7. Right? So in between there is a star operator. In between there is a star operator. Here end operator. See the priorities. If you see priorities, end is the lowest priority among these people. 7 sevens 49, 5 sevens 35. In between end operation, bitwise end, convert into binary format. First number 49 I converted. Second number 35 also I converted. After doing bitwise AND operation, 32 plus 1 came, 33. Answer is 33. The purpose of this problem is only this statement. Remaining statements are absolutely fine. Everyone know this. Remaining statements absolutely everyone know this. It is not a PYQ. It is not a PYQ, right? It is something else. PYQ only some changes I done. It is a PYQ only. I done some changes. Okay. Thanks for identifying. Thanks for identifying, Akhilesh. Right? So answer is 33. It is not 19. Answer is 33. Some changes I done. Some changes I done. Right? Perfect. Go to the question number 168. 167 we done 33. Go to the 168. Yeah, verify. 168, verify. It's an interesting problem. Can you verify this? Question number 168, verify. Very simple. So many operations are there. Please be careful. So many variations done. So many variations. So blocks. 3 slots. A, B, C. 0, 1, 2. 1000. Everyone is a character. 1 byte. Remember, blocks is 1000. Remember, blocks is 1000. Remember. So one pointer variable PTR I took. So everyone know blocks of 0 means A. A address is 1000. So this is completed. PTR now contain 1000. PTR blocks of 0 is A. A address is 1000. So PTR contain 1000. Okay. One temporary variable also he took, which is initially garbage. It's a normal variable. Now see this one, blocks of 0. A will goes to temp. Next one, blocks means 1000 plus 2 means 1002. Star 1002 means C. Star 1002 means C, right? Block C is 1000. Plus 2 means skip 2 people, 1002. Star means the value inside C. C will goes to temp. This also completed. PTR is 1000. Plus 1 means 1001. Star. The value inside 1001. B will goes to temp. Next one, star PTR. PTR is, remember, PTR plus 1. PTR not updated. PTR is 1000 only. Star 1000, star 1000, star 1000 A. Temp became A. Next one, blocks plus 1, 1001. Right? Careful everyone. Blocks is 1000. 1000 plus 1, 1001. PTR contain 1001. PTR will update now. Check. PTR will update now. 1001. It will goes to here. Not here. Next one, star PTR. PTR is 1001, star 1001, star 1001 B will goes to here. PTR is 1001 plus 1, 1002, star 1002 C, right? I think temp became C. So blocks means 1000. So, right, PTR contain again 1000. PTR is equal to blocks. Okay. Next one, plus PTR. It's a pre-decrementation, pre-incrementation. Plus PTR. It will goes to here. Right? Okay. This became 1001. It became 1001. Plus PTR 1001. PTR plus PTR 1001. To that star. I think B. B. So temp became B. Next one, PTR 1001. PTR 1001, star 1001 B, B, star 1001 B, plus it became C. It became C. Right? So temp became C. Temp became C. So this also completed. Now PTR plus star, you know very well. So observe everyone. Observe everyone. Everyone observe. Everyone observe here. Everyone observe here, right? PTR plus first PTR plus 1001 only, but a post incrementation, no effect. No effect. 1001 only, star 1001 C will store in the temp. But it became 1002. That time it don't affect, it will affect afterwards. Next one, star PTR, star 1002 C. That will also C. Star 1002 C. Until now, this is the current status. Be careful and check properly. Lastly, what is temp? C. Remember, it is a percentage C. Lastly, what is percentage DC? PTR. PTR is 1002, star 1002. C. I think this is also C, but he is saying percentage D ASCII value. A 65, B 66, C 67. So it will print 67. So the answer is capital C and 67. Check properly. Capital C and 67. So C is the answer. Right? Check properly. Check properly. It's a nice problem. Check properly. Check properly. C is the answer. Right? Fine. I think you've done very good work. Let's go to next problem. 169. Can you complete this also? Question number 169. Can you complete this? What is the output of this program? What is the output of this program? Question number 169. What is the output? One array is there. X array there. X array is there. Okay. Which contains 6 slots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1000 here, 1002 here, 1004 here, 1006 here, 1008 here, 10 here. So values if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Until now everyone perfect. Until now everyone perfect. Oh, so this is done. Be careful. So one pointer variable y is there. Okay. Normal variable z is there. Normal variable I is there. 3 people. If required, we will take addresses also. Don't worry. So this also done. So x plus 2, x is a array plus 2, integer array. So I think plus 1 means 2 bytes, plus 2 means 4 bytes. Y is 1004. Next one, star y, y 1004, star y. The value inside 1004 is 3, 3 minus 2, 1. So z is 1. F of x z, x is 1000, z is 1. So it will go there. 1000 is here, 1 is here. K value initially 3. 3 greater than 1, yes, true. Then go inside. A of 3, K value 3, na? A of 3, 4. 4 minus minus. Post decrementation, it don't affect, but it will affect afterwards. It became 3. Afterwards, B is equal to A of K. B is equal to A of K. A of K now, it now only changed, it became 3. Previously 4, now it became 3. Afterwards, right, K minus minus. Right, K value, I think it became 2. So 2 greater than 1, condition true. Go inside. A of 2 means 3. Minus minus, it became 2. Afterwards, B is equal to this, it became 2. So as usual, you will go to the K value becomes 1. 1 greater than or equal to, 1 greater than or equal to 1, condition true. 3 greater than or equal to 1 also true, 2 greater than or equal to 1 also true, 1 greater than or equal to 1 also true. Go inside. A of 1, 2. This became 1. Afterwards, B is equal to this became 1. K minus minus, K value becomes 0. 0 greater than or equal to 1, condition is failed. Out of for loop. Out of for loop, right? I think this function is over. Control will come back. This is completed. Can you see this one? Star y, what is the y? 1004. Star 1004. I think 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. So star 1004 will goes to year 7. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5, 7. I think 2 plus 7 will go. This also completed. Now for loop is starting. I think approximately 0 to 5. 6 values will be printed. What is the first value? X of 0. X of 0. So 1 will be printed. I value 0, X of 0. I value 1, X of 1. Next one, I value 2, 7. I value 3, 3. I value 4, 5. I value 5, 6. Right? Until now, for loop is printed all the people. At the end of the for loop, print star y, star 1004, 7 will be printed. Z, what is the Z? Z is 1 printed, check. Z is 1 printed, verify. No one changed the Z. Z, I think this is the only place changed. Further, it is not changed. Z is 1. I think D is the answer. 11735671. This is the answer for this. D is the answer. D is the answer. Please take care this problem also. Please take care this problem also. Let me know any objection. So D is the answer. I think everyone perfect. Let's go to one more problem. Question number 170. Question number 170. Please check properly. It is a 2D, it is a 3D array. Please verify. 3D array, please verify. So it is starting from 1000. So I think if you see every row contain 3 people, I think 3 rows, 3 columns, 9 people, 9 twos 18. I think it is a 1018. Check here. One more 18, 1036. I think so, 18. So 9 people, na? 9 twos 18. So 1000 to 1017, right? This is 0th 2D array, first 2D array, second 2D array, right? So please verify all these brackets and all. Please verify. Please verify all these brackets. This is one. This is the one more. Afterwards, I think you will do star operator. Star operator you will do. After star operator is over, you will do +1. Afterwards, you will do, I think, 3 mod 2 minus 1 means 1. 3 mod 3 means 0. 1 mod 3 means 1. So if you observe clearly, finally, a plus this is 1, right? Afterwards, you will do star. I think so. Check. Then you will do +1. After +1, you will do one more star. Afterwards, you will do 0. Lastly, one more star. This is x. So I think if you observe clearly, a 1000 +1 means 1 2D will skip 1018. Right? Afterwards star. 1018 only, but 2D level is skipped. +1. One row will skip. I think 1018 means here one row means, I think 3 people, 3 to 6 bytes. It became 1024. It became 1024. Afterwards star will be done. There is no effect. Same only 1024. Afterwards 0. Value you will get. So remember it is 1018, 1020, 22, 24. Verify properly. So this value will come. So this is going to be, x is going to be 6. Check properly. Brackets, all the things, be careful. Let's see the y. Everyone see the y also. Y, how the brackets. Y, how the brackets can check. A01 plus 2. Afterwards star operator. A01 plus 2 you do first. Whatever you got, to that star operator, then mod operator. Right? Plus this also, see what is going on here. I think if you observe clearly here, it is here. 1 star over. +1. Observe properly. So A01, A0 means this only. 1 means this. A01 means until here. +2 means 2 element will skip. I am at here. When you do star, I think you will get the 6 here. When you do star, you will get the 6 here. 6 modulo 3. 6 modulo 3. Modulo 3. I think 0 remainder. It is a 0. So what about this one? Let's check. What about this one? Let's check. Right? A of 2 0. 2 0 means 2 means this. 0 means this. +1. I think here 3. It is 3. plus 1, 4. It became 4. It became 4. Verify. A20 plus 1 and star. It became 3 plus 1, 4. It became 4. You have to verify properly. So lastly A plus 4. Check properly what is this value. Where is the brackets? Where is the brackets? So I executed. You just verify properly brackets and all. This will give 8. This will give 8. This will give 10. Verify properly. So finally is asking what will be the output of x plus y minus z is asking. So it is going to be 6 plus 8, 14 minus 10, which is going to be 4. Right? So you check one time. Tomorrow also I will execute one more time. This will give 10. This will give 8. This will give 6. Be careful with the brackets properly. Be careful with the brackets. Other than this, nothing there. Be careful with the brackets. This A is 1000. Plus 1 means 1 2D will skip. I think you enter into here. You enter into here. Afterwards, 2 stars apply. So 0 is 2, right? Afterwards, right, 2 stars apply. Then you will get the some address. Lastly, star operator. Right? So, but this also you take care. This also you take care. Brackets you take care. Observe properly. It's going to be a nice problem. Right? Question number 170, answer is 4. Because he's asking what will be the output of x plus y minus z. Right? So x 6 plus 8 minus 10, which is going to be 4. 4 is the answer. Right? Yeah, perfect. Please take care those. Someone is saying D. Someone is saying that D. Yeah, previous problem answer is D. Right? But here answer is 4. Yeah. Thanks everyone. Right? If anyone having small doubt also let me know. This is going to be a nice problem. This is going to be a nice problem. What is the value of x plus y minus z? I forgetting to written. Right? I written once again answer 4. You can verify. In the next class also I will check once again. Once again I will explain. You please try. Be careful with the brackets and right? That is enough. Yes, those people who are not taken the RIC course, last 2 months RIC course is the best one. Last 2 months RIC course is the best one. 80% discount going on. Tomorrow is the last date. Tomorrow is the last date for RIC course. Right? Thank you. Thank you. See you in the next class. See you in the next class. Thanks everyone. Thank you.